Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, I'm discussing about one of the best options called Google AdSense. So in a Google AdSense, how will we set up the auto ads? Suppose you can open the particular website. So how we can display the ads on the particular website? They will be shown on the Google AdSense option. So what is the benefit in the auto ads? That mean by we can manually place ads will be taking long time. So that is called we can place the auto ads. How we can verify it and how we can activate in the auto ads by using Google AdSense. First of all, log in Google AdSense. In the AdSense option, I'm not displaying my home one. So how we can show this is not a good one. So option will be called sites. In the sites, will be go to option here. So how is the place? Simple. Select your website. Here everything will be here. Show your details. Everything will be in this option. So everything will be added your domain and subdomain. Keep it on mind. Every time adding for main domain and subdomain compulsory important. Main domain without double dot and the subdomain with the double dot will be subdomain. Go to ads option in this. Here, which apps will be showing for auto ads? When off nothing but I'm not interested to the auto ads. If you come into this option, see this one. What we can show for on option? On nothing but is activated. How to activate it? Click this edit option. In the edit option, how we can show the ad preview mobile and desktop. First of all is the option you have to check auto ads. Each website will be approved. The earning will be more increase on the particular website. That will be in a particular AdSense. So now it is verified is going on here. Now it will be show the particular options. See this one where you can place the ad. Now okay, you're coming for desktop. Sometimes if your code is not verified, they show your code and just copy the code and update by your header files. Now I'm clipping for desktop version. These features will be given here. Here desktop ad. So how we can add will be display same position. I can't change my position will be auto ads. No need to we can place for manual ads here. More features. Here is the in this show message you can user for a California here is the getting option will be in this. Here will be ad formats in page ads, matched content and anchor ads and widgets ads and wide screens. These all will be we can show. So these all option will be here. Add load time, minimum or maximum in between time. So the ads will be here. In page ads, matched content, anchor ad, vignette ads, and widescreen ads. The ad that appear on the screens wider than 1000 pixel like desktop. In coming to mobile version, everything, what are the content you have, you can use this option. Same in page, matched content, anchor, vignettes, and widescreen. So these all option will be simple. We can click for after activation. Now what we can start for apply the site. Which one? Apply the site. Suppose, sir, I'm not interested auto ads. What is my position? How we can disable that one? Simple. We can disable this feature. Immediately the feature will be removed for auto ads option. So now I'm enable. Click for apply site. So they will be showing here. Suppose if I am clicking in this off option, what is the purpose of off? Here I'm giving the off will be in the particular future. That is called the showing will be off option. So which website we have to show for auto ads? Just click and show will be here. So these all will be see reports. I will be generating report. So 7 days, everything will be given in a particular option. So what's the new? We can go to the steps that all will be here. So these all come into the in a particular sites. So what are the auto ads we can create that all belongs to for ads in this buy site? We have to enable by the auto ads option in the each and every website to increase the Google AdSense earning purpose. Always remember any ads earnings is a depend on by traffic. So first of all focus the traffic before approved by the auto ads. So when you're getting more traffic, so automatically you're earning money from in this Google AdSense from your website. So increase your traffic, increase your earnings by using auto ads. Anyone is not showing for preview, just scroll through it, refresh by Control F5 by 3 times. Once again check, change your browser, remove the cookies, and once again log in and check your refresh by auto ads option. So compulsory preview you have to check after apply the auto ads option. Don't forget auto ads will be dependent by the 5 options that will be where you can check edit. When edit will be here, add format here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add load will be here in the minimum or maximum. Compulsory preview will be we have to check desktop and mobile. If you're not showing your browser, remove the cookies and update it. They automatically show your screen. Preview is the first preference to activate the auto ads to earn money from Google AdSense. That is based on the traffic. So follow instructions, increase your earnings. For all the best for every Google AdSense users. Anyone need help, you can always contact me on the Digital Rakesh channel, email me or mail me. I can learn by using rakeshtechsolutions.com/blogs. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.